symphony of cultures, a dialogue of ideas. India.
India Trek is an awesome opportunity for people from other parts of the world to come and get an immersive experience in institutions in India and understand how education is happening. We've been very fortunate to be able to come on this trek and participate. It's just been a fantastic opportunity for not only our faculty members but also the students who are collaborating with each other, working on projects.
I will forever remember the moment that we walked into that huge room with all those girls, and they are just filled with hope. Like, they filled me with hope. It's clear that what is being created here is going to set them up for a very different life than maybe they would have had otherwise. But the amount of potential in that room was striking.
The challenges, best practices,
The cultural and historical exchanges have been once in a lifetime, really fantastic, enlightening. We learned, we were not only able to see many of the sites, but we were also able to get guided tours, to get insights on the history behind it, and it was fantastic. I was able to see things that I've never seen before.
We were doing an aggressive, with a constrained time frame, consulting job for a real-life company here in India, Falcon Exports. And we have really enjoyed working with them.
So the purpose for me was not only to fulfill this class, get more experience within the supply chain consulting field, but also get the hands-on experience with collaborating with students from other universities. Coming together to fulfill one project and one goal has been truly inspiring.